Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the BIOS access key for your PC and ensuring it has stable power. This prevents corruption. Once done, backup or photograph current BIOS settings so you can restore defaults if needed. Reboot and repeatedly press the manufacturer key, F2, F10, Del or ESC, as the system posts. Timing matters because fast boot can skip the prompt. Make sure an external keyboard is attached for laptops, since built-in keys sometimes miss the press during early boot. You'll navigate BIOS menus, use arrow keys and enter to find boot, advanced, or security sections. Once there, identify options labeled Safe Mode, Secure Boot, or Kernel Command Line flags. These control protected startup behavior. If Secure Boot blocks changes, temporarily disable it and change boot mode between UEFI and Legacy only if necessary. This alters how the OS verifies drivers. After toggling the safe mode equivalent off, update boot priority as needed. You must save changes, usually F10, then allow the system to reboot so the new boot behavior applies. Once the OS starts, verify drivers, network, and audio to confirm normal mode rather than a limited safe mode environment. If the system fails to boot or behaves oddly, power down and restore your photograph settings or perform a CMOS reset to revert BIOS to defaults. This undoes risky edits. If problems persist, update BIOS firmware or consult manufacturer support before repeating changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.